Next, let us talk about TEV study related to term loan. What is TEV study? It is basically techno economic viability study. That is, banks are going to sanction public funds in the name of term loan for various commercial or say business related projects. But banks do not exactly know, or banks do not exactly understand technicalities involved in the projects that are taken up by the borrowers. Okay, but money is going for those kind of projects. So before releasing funds or before sanctioning loan to those customers, banks are interested in knowing whether the technology what they are going to use will work. Okay, will that generate money so that loan can be serviced? That is, whether it has technical viability, economic viability. Okay, so banks are interested in knowing this, and this techno economic viability study can be conducted either in-house by bank's own team. Bank will have their own consultancy cells, or it can also be entrusted to external agencies. That is, banks will have various empaneled consultants. Okay, so they may be, let's say, chartered engineers. They may be chartered engineers, sometimes chartered accountants, sometimes ex bankers themselves. Okay, then let's say PMCs. So those kind of external consultants will be empaneled with the banks, and they'll also be asked to conduct techno-economic viability study of the projects of the borrowers and to submit report to the bank, right? So they'll be visiting the client or they'll be visiting the borrower. They'll understand what their project is all about, and they give their report, which is called as TEV report, and that will say whether project is viable from technical angle, economic, whether the project is financially viable, whether it is commercially viable, whether managerial capacity, I mean whether the management has capacity to take up this project, implement and successfully run after that, whether compliances can be ensured for this project, or whether compliances are very complicated, whether this company is capable of complying with all those will be brought out in this TEV study. Okay, so they'll be talking about these kind of viabilities, namely technical, economical, financial, commercial, managerial and compliances. We'll talk about each and every viability aspect in the following sessions.